Hi, and welcome to Virtuo's Guru, where barbecue and grilling's made tasty. I'm Brandon Tanner, and today we have some killer crispy chicken wings for you. So we've been doing a couple of these different ways. T-Ray Cooks highlighted one of the videos of one of the ways we do it. This is going to have a twist, and man, if you haven't tried making a panko crust on your wings to have a nice, crispy, fluffy layer, you got to give this a try. And if you like this type of content,
please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video like this one.
Alright, so yeah, obviously we've got the one on the hoverboard, and we'll have some other fun stuff with the dogs. We're going to start trying to do some maybe taste testings and other things like that at the end of the video, so have a little bit of fun with this stuff. But in this particular case, I've got basically party wings, and you'll see Taryn's going to do a lot of the work putting stuff together, but it's basically just a wing that's got the tips cut off, and then it's got the little, you know, the joint cut like right there. Is there someone outside? And so anyways, these are party wings. They crisp up really nice. I'm probably going to use about 6 eggs. This is 6.5 pounds total weight of chicken, and so we'll probably start with 6 eggs, and I'll do about a teaspoon of rub with every 2 eggs, if you will. So that's a taste and preference thing, so that's something you got to decide whether you want to do or not do, or how much you want. That's kind of what I like to do. I'm using the REO Fajita Seasoning. Stuff is great on chicken, beef, whatever, and that's going to go directly in with the eggs. We'll beat the eggs up and then roll it in the panko crust, and then we're gonna cook them. We'll cook them at, I'll set my Traeger, I set it to high, and that's probably, today it's like 80 degrees, so that's probably gonna run at like 430, maybe 440. So we'll have to gauge our times depending on the temperature. And then our friends at Kadoof, you've seen the smokers, the pellet tubes, and those types of things that I've been using. They've been sending me their products and love their products. And so he sent me this smoke box, which is kind of, you know, I used to do this back in the day with some of the stick burn stuff. So I've got some chunks of wood here that I'm going to use and light this up and give me a little extra smoke on these, which I like to do. When I do a real hot cook, I like to add in either a pellet tube, what's the word?
Pellet tube?
Pellet tube.
Oh, that.
That was close.
I didn't know what you're talking about, so.
Yeah, but this box will be great too, so I'll just light those, close it up, get some extra smoke on these guys. So kind of give you a throwback stick burner flavor to them. So really looking forward to this one. And she's had them before, so they're pretty good. All right, we'll get to it. We add 1 teaspoon of rub per every 2 eggs. And then mix with a whisk. All right, so I got a rub all mixed up with the eggs, and now we're gonna take, and I forgot to mention that this is Italian style panko crust, and so it's got some garlic salt, onion salt, that type of stuff in it, and it's really tasty, really complements with the other rubs. So, you know, I like more flavor on it because you get a little more in that crust, and it's better. So she's gonna pour this into this deal, and then just take the party wings, and you'll see them because I'll do close-ups, and she's just gonna dip them, roll them, and then put them, and then we'll throw them on the grill here shortly. Next time we do it, we won't do it all at once. We'll do them in batches so that the crust doesn't get kind of pancakey at the end. For this cook, I'm using pecan pellets and pecan wood chips in the Kadoof wood box smoker. Once the wood chips are lit on one end of the box, give it 10 or so minutes before closing the lid on the smoke box and grill. The Kadoof wood box smoker performed great on this cook. With the grill reaching 430 degrees, we put on the wings. 25 minutes into the cook, and time to flip the wings. "40 minutes into the cook, and time to flip the wings and adjust some on the hot spots. After 55 minutes into the cook, done to perfection. Crispy on the outside and tender and moist inside. All right, ready for the taste test?
Yeah.
All right, try the one without the sauce first. How's that?
It's good.
I hear the crispiness. Pretty flavors taste good.
Yeah.
You're not gonna let the dog try any?
I thought I was gonna try that one first.
Before you get the sauce on your hands, color up. See what the dog thinks of the taste test.
Selena, come here.
Should let her smell it first.
Oh.
Yeah, looks like Selena approves. All right, you want to try hot sauce for you, but not for the dog?
Yeah.
You have to give some to Chica too, but not right now. With the Sweet Baby Ray's and a little Italian seasoning.
That's good.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright. So, if you like this type of content,
Oh, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video like this one.
perfect.